Come on guys, let's see who would win a fight between a Kodiak bear and a grizzly bear. Where do they live? Most of the Kodiak bears live in Kodiak Archipelago, Alaska, that is located in North America. The most of the population of grizzly bears was sincerely decreasing in California. That's why they got isolated to Alaska and Wyoming. First of all, let's check the length and height of these two bears. The average length of a Kodiak bear is up to 2.8 to 3 meters and the height is up to 4.8 to 5.1 feet. The average length of a grizzly bear is up to 2.7 to 3 meters and the height is up to 4.7 to 5 feet. Now let's check the weight of these two bears. The average weight of a Kodiak bear is up to 420 kgs and the max weight is up to 800 kgs. The average weight of a grizzly bear is up to 350 kgs and the max weight is up to 600 kgs. Now let's see the bite force of these two bears. The bite force of a Kodiak bear is up to 930 psi. The bite force of a grizzly bear is 1200 psi. Which bear has more protective fur so that it can protect itself from other predators? The Kodiak bear fur differs. They have fur black or brown, but there is a bad demand in the market. People kill this bear for their fur and they actually sell it in the market to earn money. The most epic thing about a grizzly bear is about its golden fur and actually it looks very cute and beautiful on it. Now let's check the weapons of these two bears. The Kodiak bear has 5 cm canines and 10 to 15 cm claws. The grizzly bear has 7.5 cm canines and 10 cm long claws. Now let's check the speed of these two bears. The top speed of a Kodiak bear is up to 40 to 50 km per hour. The top speed of a grizzly bear is up to 44 to 57 km per hour. What do they eat? Kodiak bear is an omnivorous animal and it only eats fruits, berries, grass, and sometimes even meat. Kodiak bear also eats a fish called salmon and it loves it very much. On the diet, the grizzly bear also is omnivorous and it eats varieties of foods like fish, fruits and also meat. Also grizzly bear hunts down a moose. Like Kodiak bears, grizzly bears also like salmon fish. Let's see who is more giant between these two bears. By seeing this height chart, we can see that Kodiak bear is more longer. But still, the grizzly bear is more aggressive than the Kodiak bear. So, in your opinion, which bear would win? Tell me in the comment section below. Now let's see who would win this fight. By saying this, we can see that Kodiak bear has won this fight. In my opinion, the Kodiak bear has 55% chances to win and the grizzly bear has 45% chances to win. The winner is the Kodiak bear. Thanks for watching, but please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button for more such interesting videos.